VINIZE, your favorite vlogger again. Today, we are gonna unbox the bird. So, this is just 49.75 pesos. So, this is, and my mama bought this in Toy Kingdom. Okay, as you can see, there's so many birds to collect too. Look, this one looks like a fox, and this is what we got. So before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe and ring that bell so that you're notified our new videos. Now let's get it on, baby. It says here that we need to put 3 batteries. So I have here 1, 2, 3 batteries, and you can also put this on your for this in your house for decorations or like that, and this bird will sing. So mama will unbox it, so let's unbox it. So hard, so I'm just gonna use scissors. Of course, I have an adult, which is mama. So hard to unbox this bird. Chitty! This is our bird, and I gave her a name, and her name is Love.
Okay, so
this is Love. You want some food out here? She's eating. Oh, some more? So this is so happy. Guys, look at this bird. It's very relaxing and sweet and lovely, and it's super duper cute, and I love her. When I stand up, she will talk like this.
if you heard like this sound,
Yeah.
If you tap.
If it tap. When the bird hears any sound like this, like that, she'll talk, and then she'll say tweet 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 tweet. She looks like a real bird. You see? Magic! It looks like a real bird to me. It looks like so cute. Aww! He looks so lovely! Oh. It's working! Yay! Oh,
what's the name of your bird?
my bird's name is Love. I give her a name because she likes to be loved, because she is a lovely bird. Lovely sounds.
Do you think the bird will...
So you can tell your mom if you like this bird, like my bird, like lovely. You can buy it in any toy store, like Toy Kingdom or Toys R Us.